Hello parents, let's help children learn the alphabet A to Z with easy letter tracing. Let's begin. A A A A for aeroplane. B B B B for butterfly. C C for clock. D D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for flower. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for light. M for moon. N for nuts. O for octopus. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for time. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for clock, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for flower, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for kite, L for light, M for moon, N for nuts, O for octopus, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vegetable, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zoo. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more learning activities. Bye bye.